and 65, but the machine's been set to the 7511s.
7511s.
Yeah, and that's just like a standard thickness needle. So you can go to a smaller needle. So if you're doing silks, really thin garments, you can reduce the needle size.
The 7511 is for the hard garments or for the standard one?
For the standard garment, but it does do leather. These needles will do leather.
Lower means for the lower aprils or lower, this one's like if you move to the needles lower one,
Yep.
this means the april is little bit soft.
Yes.
Okay. If you move to the higher one,
For
means
thicker.
for the thicker
Yes,
one.
yes.
Okay. And we move to the thicker one up to some.
So if you move to a thicker one, then somebody will have to come back to retime the sewing hook under here. That's a sewing hook. That's been timed.
Okay. Okay.
So I'll show you. Next one up. Sorry.
Okay. For each needles, the time is different.
Yes. Yeah.
Obviously, we use the big needle. There's not quite good speed, and these ones we need reduce the speeds also.
It doesn't reduce the speed, but you see here, as the sewing hook comes round,
Yeah.
so go that way. So that as you do a full revolution, so it goes down. That when it beeps like that, that means it's at 0,
Okay.
and then it comes back up, and then here, this is your sewing hook. This bit here
Yeah.
collects the thread.
Yeah.
So as it goes down, goes past the needle,
Okay.
and then it comes to collect the thread. So it's obviously, if you go to a thicker needle,
How we can adjust the size now?
You-
I didn't get it. If the thicker needle, how we can adjust the size?
so then a barudan engineer will have to come back to retime, to reset all the settings.
all the
So,
settings.
so I recommend you keep it to 7511s.
Yes.
But if you need to change, then we can come back
Okay.
and show you.
Okay. No worries.